The American lifestyle starts at the Torre student accommodation in Austin. The lavish studio, ensuite, and non-ensuite apartments are the perfect place to start your new journey. Palatial rooms host a snuggly bed warmed by the sunlight coming straight from the wide windows. The calm study area helps you to focus and breeze through your academic goals smoothly, and with the ample space inside the room, you'll have ample space to organize all your belongings. Step into the spotless bathroom for a quick shower, and afterward, you can prepare your favorite comfort meals in the industrious kitchen. That's not all. You can spend your time wisely by using the state-of-the-art gym, an amazing pool for a good swim on a sunny day, and a game zone where you can make countless memories with your friends. All of these features are at this amazing student home. Moreover, you can catch a bus from your nearest bus stop to your campus of Austin Community College. Weekends are a treat feasted over some appetizing Mexican delicacies from the El Patio restaurant with some dim lights and mellow vibes. A new journey calls for a new home. Start your journey at the Torre student accommodation in Austin. Grab your keys at amberstudent.com.